In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can link your email to a PUBG mobile account. Before we do dive into the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you're trying to link your email to a PUBG mobile account, don't worry, I'm going to walk you through this step by step. The first thing that you're going to want to do once you do get loaded into PUBG Mobile is actually tap on the arrow in the bottom right corner. I'm not going to lie, this is actually kind of hard to see, but it's in that bottom right corner. So go ahead and select it, and it's going to pull up a page that looks like this. From the menu that opens, go ahead and select settings just like so. Within your account section, which is going to be the one that it automatically opens you up to, you're going to see this little linked option up at the very top. If you scroll down, there's a link email option here with a little gift icon next to it. Simply go ahead and select the link button, and it's going to pull up a page that looks like this, where you're first going to have to go through a security verification. Hit that security verification. It's going to go ahead and send you a verification thing. Once you accept it, you'll be taken to a page where you'll be able to enter in your email address, and once again, it's going to send you a verification code to your email. Enter in that in the box provided, and that's it. You've now successfully linked your email to your PUBG mobile account. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.